What's going on, everybody? It's Conti here with another video. How to create a Sin City effect in DaVinci Resolve. DaVinci Resolve 15 is the software version used in this tutorial. To open up your video that you wish to apply an effect to, go to File, Import File and Import Media. Inside your media pool, left click on your video, hold your mouse button down and drag this to the timeline. Let go of your left mouse button once this is in place. Go to the Color tab at the bottom of your DaVinci Resolve interface. Left click. Ensure that the Nodes window is open by left clicking once on this, so it is highlighted in white, and you see a small node box representing the video file which is on your edit timeline. There should be one line either side, the line on the left representing your input, and the line on the right represents the output, which will be the final version of your video project presented to the viewer. Inside your Nodes window, right-click on the blank space in the background and choose Add Node and Corrector. Left-click on this new node and drag it up to the line on the right. The line on the right should turn yellow when the bottom half of the node is hovering over it. Let go of your left mouse button so that this is now connected to your initial node. Go to your Qualifier tab in the same color window. Left click on the color picker icon. In the Sin City films, the color red is often shown, whilst the majority of the rest of the visuals are in black and white. So I am going to left click once on the red shade of the bucket in the middle of my video file to make a selection. The node that I inserted has now got a grey background surrounding the red bucket in the middle. Left click on the invert option in the selection range box. This should now be highlighted in white. Now go to Color Wheels. Go down to the bottom where you see SAT, short for saturation. If you do not see these icons at all, left click on clips so that this part of the interface is not shown. Then saturation should come back up again into view. Double click on the number inside the saturation box and change this to 0. Press enter. As seen in the preview, the background is black and white, however not all red shades of the bucket have been selected. In order to ensure that all red shades are acquired by your DaVinci Resolve editor, I'm going to go back to Qualifier once more by left clicking once and choosing the picker icon with the plus symbol next to it, which enables the video editor to acquire more color shades from their video file. Go to the preview above the Qualifier window and left click on the grey sections. It is also recommended that you use your preview window to visit other parts of the video where your red object is shown at a different angle. In this example here, in the close-up of the bucket, you can see that the bottom side of the object still has a dark grey shade. If I left click on this, then DaVinci Resolve has selected more of the red shade, which is then shown on the final video project. Continue exploring your video clip and selecting all parts of the red shade which were missed by your initial color picker transaction. What you can also do in the Qualifier window is expand the width of the hue reading by left clicking on the highlighted section in here with the white triangle and increasing the width. And note how more red is selected as different shades are being read by the DaVinci Resolve program. And this should help remove any grey shades which were missed by my initial color picker. Thank you very much for watching. I hope that video was useful to you. To support this channel, please like and subscribe. Join me soon for another video. Take care.